Alright, what's up everyone? This is the beginning of a few. We're going to start with this. This was the old race car, the Black Pearl. Great car, put a lot of power down, had a lot of fun with it. We're moving on because the 7-speed auto just could not hang. Can't afford to rebuild it every single time. Been searching for a while now. And we found something, a hidden gem in Florida that we can use, start fresh. So from the Black Pearl, we're gonna change over to RedRum. So like I said, found it in Florida, bone stock. 97, kooky, minimal issues, minimal rust, pretty great condition. Thanks to Mateo and Andrew. Mateo was Andrew's friend who sold it to us, and he drove it all the way out to us from Tampa to here in Las Vegas. Excuse the dust, it's a little dirty, but like I said, we live in the Vegas area. It's nothing but dust and heat. As you can see, minor blemishes, things here and there. But overall, a super clean start, which is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want someone else's project car that they were hacking apart or anything like that. Let's crank it open here real quick. You can see the interior is like damn near perfect, with the exception of the dreaded 240 dash crack. We'll get to fixing that later, probably a separate video, and probably a time-lapse video, because that'll take a little bit of time. Alright. Let's bring this up in the hood area here. Like I said, bone stock, right? Nope, let me try the latch one more time, right? Come back around. Alright. We got a bone stock KA. I think all I did was the EGR delete. Rest the hood on my head, multitask a little bit here. Alright, back to it. Got it here, he drove it out, no issues, no hiccups, no nothing. And then of course, day one of ownership, trying to park in our little crowded area. And I went ahead and popped one of the power steering lines down there. So our first go-to is making it 100%. That way we can run it, drive it, have some fun with it before we start really tearing it apart. So this is the beginning. We're gonna start from here and see where it goes. Hope you guys follow us and let's have some fun with it, right? All right.